Hello everyone, my name is Otto TAY.
My name is Wei Loon TAN.
My name is Ming Ai LOI.
We are from Malaysia and we are the current world champion for Coupe du Monde de la Pâtisserie 2019. What it takes us to win this competition, I think one of it is originality. One of the points that we feel is important is to create something from ourselves. Maybe represent ourselves, three of us, or from Malaysia. Not only present something from ourselves, but also create something new for this industry.
After Coupe du Monde, maybe the world doesn't know about Malaysia culture, but after this, I would like to expose Malaysia culture to the world.
What is the difficulty in the team? I would say communication, because everyone has your own creative idea. You have a solution A, I have solution B. So we need to make sure this can become solution of A, B joined together to reach the best result. We use silicone mold because it will make sure all my pastry is consistency. Every product that come out, we won't have a failure.
So today, I'm very grateful that I can work with silicone mud because with the mold, that it helped me to save a lot of time and also it creates a lot of possibilities to everyone. For those people who are interested to become a pastry chef, I suggest them to be humble and also to be open-minded and accept the view from other people is very important.
Ciao a tutti from Team Malaysia.